Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we increase phone sleep time in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to increase guys your phone sleep time in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you increase guys this phone sleep time? In this video friends I will show you guys. So friends, how can you increase it? Now let's see. So before starting video friends, first of all guys go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. First of all we will on guys our phone setting to increase our phone sleep time. Then scroll. As you can see guys here, display and brightness setting, tap here and guys again scroll it. Once you can see guys your auto scale means your phone sleep time guys you can increase from here guys. You want to increase it to 30 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, you can increase from here. Example how we will click on this 10 minutes. So as you can see your 10 minute setting and guys your screen will off and when you will turn on and guys you will not touch anywhere. So guys after 10 minutes your phone screen will sleep if you do not touch anywhere. If you touch anywhere guys then time will start again continue. So like that guys you can increase your phone sleep time in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.